Hello friends, today I'm going to be unboxing with you the Tombow marker organizer. This is the desktop marker organizer. It holds 108 markers and I'm on the Tombow USA design team and I received the product from them. You guys know I've been on their team for years now and I love their markers, and this marker organizer is just genius. It slides, it's so beautiful. It comes out of the box already assembled. So you can organize the alcohol-based ABT Pro markers in this or the Tombow dual brush pens in this. It's up to you. They give stickers to organize either of them. I'm going to use it for my dual brush pens. There are 108 colors and they have stickers to mark the colors. So you just peel the stickers and adhere them to each row, and they're all in color order, rainbow goodness. It's just so beautiful. I had so much fun just sticking these stickers on. And it's a wonderful way to keep all of your markers organized. You just look at the color number on your marker and it has its own slot where it has to go back. This makes cleanup so super easy. And then you just have fun filling it in with all of your markers. I have all the 108 markers and this was a joy for me. These are my favorite markers. I use them all the time. There are so many ways you can use it and I would highly recommend splurging on these. So if you have any holiday money left over, this would be a great buy. I'll leave a link for it in the description box and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Happy crafting!